Trigonometry exercise 11.4. Second question. Show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here we have to take LHS. LHS is equals to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Here cosec theta can be written as cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so cosec can be written as 1 by sine theta minus cot can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole square is there, equals to both fractions 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, both are having sin theta as common. If two fractions are having same fractions, that means like fractions, and what we supposed to here minus is there, we have to subtract. So let me write direct 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Here write that square separate, that is equals to 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin is there, so sin square theta. Here 1 minus cos theta whole square is there, write it twice, that means here a square is there. How can we write a square? A into a. Here also 1 minus cos theta whole square is there. Let me write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta upon, here sin square theta is there. Sin square theta, from first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. I want only sin square theta, then sin square theta is equals to here transpose cos square to right side, 1 minus cos square theta. So here instead of sin square theta, let me write 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. And one more thing, 1 can be written as 1 can be 1 square. 1 can be 1 square. Here here it will remain same. So 1 minus, here let me write square, otherwise here only let me write here square. So here numerator will remain same, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole divided by, here it is the identity of a square minus b square. A means 1, b means cos. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Here write this one, 1 square minus cos square theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. That means a minus b, a plus b. Here once observe the numerator and denominator. In numerator 1 minus cos theta is there, in denominator 1 minus cos theta is there, so both will get cancelled. What is the remaining in numerator? 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So what we have to prove here? What we have to prove? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We got that 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, that is equals to RHS. We took LHS and proved RHS.